Hi, everyone. I like to introduce and demonstrate my final project. Uh, my final project, the title is a dynamic and speculative model of Horus Castle, and so I think maybe you can check out the details of the animation, but I'll go on to introduce my the IoT and user interaction part of my final project. You see here, uh, I can control my final project in two ways, either through physical button or through a web interface, and the web interface can monitor the status of the physical IoT device too. So the the web page monitors the physical IoT device through P5.js libraries. So the method I use is to set the canvas, the frame rate of the canvas to 1 per second, and so you can see my Chrome developer tool. You see all this. That's my P5.js methods trying to get the position and state of my IoT device. And so you see, once I click on my web page, well, my current design is that when I click on the web page on the canvas, my web page will send command to the IoT device and move both the servo motor and the motor on the top at the same time. This is my current design, so I'll click. You see now my servo motor does not work, and this sometimes happens. I still need to find out why. But you see, even though the servo motor cannot work now, the internal variable still works and it's monitored by the website. So my servo motor is only 180 degrees. So once it reaches 0 degree, it will go the other direction. And my design is to try to capture the horse moving castle's idea of jumping to places. So the image you see on my website now signifies wilderness. And as soon as the position of the servo motor passes 90 degree, the scene changes to a window looking into a city center, and actually just outside the window is a train track. And that's what I wanted to achieve too. Although you see now my train does not function well, but it does capture the speculative thing I set out to create. So you see, each time I apply the motor, it stops at a speculative position. So my original idea is to let user try to stop at the train station. That's where you see the photoresistive sensor, and I think that's maybe something fun because you can try to achieve an object in this speculative and dynamic world, and both through IoT device and through web page. So I think that's all for my demonstration, and I'll make another video of the way when my servo motors work correctly. So thanks.